Cordial saludo, apreciada tutora. Mi nombre es Fabio Leonardo Vera y vamos a hacer el video de Planning to Travel. Description of the place. It is located in the corregimiento of Encano, 23 kilometers from the urban area of the city Pasto. Its name is taken from an indigenous legend of the region. Activities. The lagoon can be traveled by a boat to the sanctuary Corota flora and fauna. Visitors walk and eat the typical sweet of the place. You can visit the restaurant that prepares the trout dish that is most preferred by the people. You must visit the sanctuary of flora and fauna La Corota. You must not throw garbage in the place. You are a visitor and you must take care of the place. The visitor have to try the delicious chilacuan blackberry 3 meals others. You don't have to walk far to see the lagoon. Superstitions. If you visit the lagoon La Cocha, you must visit the sanctuary La Corota. If you visit sanctuary La Corota, you will have an important spiritual experience. When to go? The lagoon can be visited at any time of the year, but it is better to visit in a summer like August, October, or July. Where to stay? You can stay in a chalet guames or a beautiful cabins. You can also stay in other accommodation in the region. Thanks.